What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. We're going to dive right into the price action today. So on the daily, not too much going on. Bitcoin over the night had a little bit of a pullback. I'm going to the 5-minute scale actually, just to go over the recent day. So as you can see, over the recent day, it was just kind of teetering around at around the $9,800 level at a nice point up there, and then the EMA crossed over below the 55, and then a bounce up, shooting up over the middle Bollinger Band to the top, and then a sell-off, and even some low wicks coming down all around, low wicks. And currently where we're at right now is the EMA, the 20 EMA has passed through the 55 EMA and is now back up and short-term bullish. Going to touch up towards the $9,800 level again. That's what I think is going to happen. And that's the super short term. That's like over the next day. So we're at 9,742 and the high for the day is 9,856. So I think we're still in that higher range for the day. It's definitely looking short-term bullish. But not only that, but for the daily chart as well, I think our target is still 11,200 for the bull trend. And as long as we continue to put in higher lows here, which we have been, like for instance here, starting here, higher low, higher low, higher low, right there. So I'd say we're still in a bull trend moving up. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. We're in an ascending triangle, in a broadening wedge, and that's just, they're both tend to breaking into the upside. So I think we're going to be breaking to the upside. We're still just in a bull pattern ever since March. So enjoy the ride as it goes, guys. It's very easy to have a good time when it's a bull market, and it's just the beginning of it. If anything happens like it's supposed to, we're going to see some real all-time highs within the next 2 years even. I think it'll happen in the next 2 years, so let's see what happens. Overall, a kind of red day, a little bit of green here and there, different coins, BNB, EOS, Leo, BAT, HT. Other than that, everything just in the red a little bit. Not a lot, just maybe 1% all around. Bitcoin 0.76%. Same thing with ETH, 0.76%. So not too much going on, a little bit of a pullback. Oh, and guys, on coin ranking, I've noticed the price has been floating a little high on Bitcoin. If you'll notice, 9,859, 9,741, 9,733. So floating a little bit high on coin ranking. Just be mindful of that if you're surfing price. And on Bitcoin news, I want to talk a little bit about how fiat currencies are just kind of not a good thing, and Bitcoin has been one of the best investments in the last 1,200 years, and definitely in the last 11. So Bitcoin has been the best currency investment over 1,200 years. Bitcoin's value appreciation over the last 11 years sets apart from virtually all of the world's fiat currencies. The first widely accepted commercial transaction was on May 22nd. You guys all remember this. Laszlo bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. An event that has been immortalized as Bitcoin Pizza Day. We all remember this. The pizza is worth about $30, puts the value at around 0.003 on the BTC at this point. So a long time ago, a guy got 2 pizzas worth, 10,000 BTC is worth, or 10,000 BTC he spent on 2 pizzas, and now that would be worth millions of dollars. And it's just, he's probably regretting that decision every single day. But it's better than not having any Bitcoin. I guess you could say that. People that are holding fiat currencies are just in trouble. They literally say, good luck, fiat currencies, you're going to need it. The US dollar has been official currency of the United States since the Coinage Act of 1792. So how has its value fared in the last 228 years? According to the Consumer Price Index, $1 in 1792 bought to the equivalent of $26.71 today. In other words, it has lost over 96% of its value in 228 years. And people would think that the euro, which came out 10 years before Bitcoin, would be even better, but it's not even a challenger. And sadly, no, the euro suffers from the same design issues as the dollar. Inflation has meant that €1 today is the equivalent of 0.70 euro in 1999, meaning that it's lost nearly 30% of its value in the last 21 years. So people always ask me why I'm so into Bitcoin and why I'm, doing a YouTube channel about it, talking about it all the time. And for me, it's really changed my life. It's been really good to me. I've actually got in the bear market and did a lot of day trading, and it went really well for me. And I had a great time and met a lot of people and traveled, and I learned a lot about Bitcoin and that it's just something that's going to be very popular over the next 20 years. And I just want to be part of that movement. And for me, it behooves me to have more Bitcoin than money and to work my way into more and more coin as much as possible. And as I always say, guys, you should be working your way up to 1 Bitcoin. If you've already got 1 Bitcoin, start working your way up to 5 or 10. And I think you'll be very happy you did over the next few years. And see, look at the stock to flow. We still have our red dot, still moving in a bullish pattern. And if it happens anything like the last times we went red, guys, we're talking huge price difference here, from 10 to 100, from 500 to 1,000 to 19,000 all the way up here, guys. This time from 10. God, if we saw a $100,000 Bitcoin, that would just be life changing for a lot of people. So I'm really hoping for it, guys. This is what I'm in for. If you're all in for the same thing, I think you're in for good reasons. And continue to hodl on, continue to accumulate. And that's it for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe and like. When you guys do that, my channel is more pushed out there for everyone to see. I get more interactions, and that's what I'm going for. I'm just having a good time. And thank you in advance for all your support. I've been getting lots of likes. My videos have gotten over, I think, probably over 100 likes now altogether, and hundreds and hundreds of views. And I'm just very happy for that interaction and engagement, and look forward to more and more growing my channel. And this is, I'm doing this for you guys. I really am having a good time just interacting. So thanks again, and I'll be keeping on doing videos. Peace, guys. I'll catch you later. All right.